so what you're going to do is make sure that you have your book creator open. And this is the cover page, but we're going to go to the next pages, whichever orientation you chose. You're going to click the plus sign, and you're going to add some templates here. Go to comics, and then you got these templates that you can choose from. The 3 panel is always fun. And if you choose a 4 panel, then you can basically just use this as the 4 different spots in your graphic organizer. So you're also going to need to have up your graphic organizer. So I'm going to open up our example graphic organizer to show you how to use it. And so the story is below. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 things that happen in the first act. So we could treat one page as the first act and get each section of that first act into this page by doing this. Go down, see where the first act ends. It's detail complications. Security cameras were turned off, so we'll go down to where security cameras were turned off. So we can break this down here in a different way. Oops. So let's go back to our graphic organizer. So we can go like this, copy, and we're going to bring it into our book, and then add text, caption, and go ahead and paste it. Now we have our caption for our first block. And then you can go ahead and draw the picture that matches with this text, and then we'll go over to the next one. Again, we're going to go and add text. And then we'll come down to the last box here, and we'll do the same thing. And then when you have your dialogue, meaning you have somebody talking, like we do in this section, if you see here, we have somebody talking. I locked everything myself last night, said Miss Vega. So you're going to take this, copy it, and you're actually going to use the word bubble. So instead of using this, you're going to use this right here, and that is your word bubble. And you can manipulate that all different ways that you want, and then you're going to get your text inside of there, and go ahead and take away your quotation marks, because it's a word bubble, so you don't need them. Go ahead and line that up in there. So I locked everything up myself last night. Draw your picture of your character. Now you're going to go through and do that for the entire process of this book. You're going to keep adding pages by using this button. You can go to media and templates to get these panels. You don't have to choose the 4 panels. You can do that any way you want, but you do need to add the illustrations in using the tools, okay? And one of the ways that you can do this quick without having to be a super good drawer is you can go here and you can search up things that you want. Person with necklace, cartoon. Now you have person taking, not with, but taking necklace, cartoon, okay? So let's say you wanted to use this as your image. You could copy and save it, or copy image, I think you can do too. And you'll come over here and click done real quick, and then you're gonna paste by hitting Control V. That won't work, so we need to save it. Save image as. It's gonna be in downloads. We're gonna go back over here. We're gonna add images, upload from computer, downloads, it was the robber. Now, we don't really want the old lady in there. So let's just draw the robber. So we're gonna use the tools here, pen tool. I'm gonna do this really quickly. This is a little bit too wide. And this will be easier for you guys because you guys are using touch screens. I'm using a trackpad. So let's pretend that's the necklace he stole. It's got a little pendant on it. And he's running away because he's a criminal. Okay, I'm gonna do that real quick, and then we're gonna say done. Then we're not done because we're gonna move this, take this guy, delete it, and then we'll have just the outline, okay? So you can do that with any picture from the internet, and you can trace it right there on your screen. I hope this helps. Please ask me any questions you might have.